Kentucky girl, in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello everybody, this is Sherry, KY Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming over today to see what I have to show you. So not long ago, I did an unboxing for a DPOVER for a PR package. I was very excited about that. And so today I want to show you the completion. So you guys, this is the completion. Now this was I love this image. It reminded me of my grandmother when I was a young child. I actually saw her sew on a sewing machine like this, and she did eventually get her an electric machine, but anyway, she did a lot of sewing, and I remember that about her a lot. And she was a very dark-haired lady. Just reminded me a lot of my grandmother. But anyway, that being said, the image is gorgeous. So here's the thumbnail. And the canvas itself is very nice. It's a velvet back. It's got the poked and, oh goodness, scalloped edges, my gracious, to help prevent fraying. So that's a very nice canvas. It laid flat very nicely. The drill field was very nice. The drills fit on the canvas, fit together very nicely, as you can see. I mean, it's very nice. Sticky. It all went well. And I do love this. The only thing, so this has 7 ABs in it. 7 ABs for this 50 by 50. I think maybe fewer ABs would have been a little bit better. I do have, I mean, you can see here the outline of her hair, but only from like one angle. And most of that is due to the number of ABs, and these are 310 and 939 ABs, guys. So it reflects back blue and green. Now, I think I think it's gorgeous, but I think it could have gone with fewer ABs. Maybe a little more subtle placement of some of the ABs in here, but I don't know if can you guys see all of that? Look at that. Those are all ABs, and then there are some scattered in here. You can see in the window, and that's beautiful right there in that window. I think that's gorgeous. And even in the sewing machine here, it's very sparkly. I will say that for it. It's very sparkly. And again, I love the image. Thank you, DPOVER, for allowing me to review this. And I appreciate it so very, very much. Nothing, I mean, everything else with this went well. It worked up pretty quickly, other than it's so much ABs that I did have to single place some and to keep the ABs clean, because wax tends to stick to it, and you can pull the top of the AB coating off if you're not careful. and you don't want to do that. But anyway, so this is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see all of that. It is more of a blue color than a black. That's not coming out very well. Well, you can see a little bit of it here, the blues. But again, I just want to say thank you. The rendering of this, look at her face, you all. Look at the face. I mean, that is just gorgeous. That came out so very well. The detail in this is beautiful. It's just beautiful. All right. I will, you guys go over and check them out because they do have some very beautiful images over there. Some very cute ones. And there will be a link in the description box below to this painting as well as to the website. I am an affiliate with the company, so if you do use my link to make a purchase, I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you. So thank you again. You guys have a most wonderful day. Remember, show the love of Jesus. Be kind to others. Give someone a kind word or a smile, because you never know what a difference you're going to make to that person in that day or even further on. And God bless each and every one of you. Till next time, I'll see you. Bye now.